that's really B-roll. We're going to try that coming through the leaf shot. See how that works. Here at Colonial Williamsburg, you can do horseback, you can ride in a cart or carriage pulled by horses around the restored area. It is a absolutely picture perfect day here. I haven't seen a day like this in Williamsburg for years. Typically, you get some clouds. Right now, there's not a cloud in the sky. You have a beautiful azure blue sky, perfect for photography. Probably 10-mile visibility. Cars are supposed to go 25 miles an hour in here. Sometimes they go a little faster. I've been walking on these same pathways and bricks. Notice the yellow bricks, the green grass, the blue sky. That's artfully beautiful. Balanced and beautiful. We're going over the Duke of Gloucester Street now. Duke of Gloucester Street is the main street in Colonial Williamsburg where most of the buildings are. Look at the white oyster shells over by the Capitol. Try through the leaves approach. It gives perspective to the distance you're at. This is the Colonial Capital. Shooting this on a wide angle lens right now. This is a good day in Colonial Williamsburg. I worry about them financially. I'm a donor. I want to make sure that they stay around. I spent many happy years. This is the R. Carlton Coffee House. In colonial times, drinking coffee was as much fun as it is today. People would leave the assembly, go to the coffee shop, and have coffee, much as we'd go to Starbucks. When I was 12, I took the bus over here by myself, which was sort of an adventure for me, and went and got cookies. They have cookies over here that they sell, which are sort of tasty. In the Roy Tavern Bakery. They used to bake them on premises, and the health department made them stop doing that. They had to bake them in a sanitary place. Now they've reversed that, and they can continue to bake them in the old colonial oven. Maybe not as sanitary, but certainly tastes just as good. Tonight we'll be dining at the Rowley Tavern. This is examples of some of the colonial houses and shops along the way. On the other side of the road are taverns, one after another. Taverns that were filled up during what they called public times, when all the members of the assembly traveled from all over the state to meet here. This is the Rowley Tavern. I'm gonna go back and get a cookie. Want to come with me? Ginger cookies. Ginger cake cookies, $2.75 each. When I was a kid, they were a quarter. These are the cookies. They're now $2.75. In 1956, they were 25 cents. Now we've had our cookie, and it's time to move on. This is the back of the Rowley Tavern. Inside, right behind that door, is the Apollo Room. That's where, in the 18th century, Phi Beta Kappa was started. Little gardens. They have buildings in Colonial Williamsburg because often there'd be a fire in the kitchen burned up. Rather than burn up the whole house, instead just burn up the kitchen.
So 1:30.
Yes.
Or yeah.
Yeah, the last one was full, or I would put you in on it. You can wait and shade on the bench.
Hello.
Good day.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Oh, it's a gorgeous day.
Could be 95 degrees, right?
Yes, I know. Go up over the spring.
I'm going to show you something now that you might find historically interesting. Oh, long block. This is looking down toward the Capitol. Both of these buildings were restored in the 20s by the John D. Rockefeller Foundation. Several million dollars were used to restore the buildings. Colonial Williamsburg was sort of a dilapidated place prior to that. Another view of the Wally Tavern. Yeah, you see down the street some of modern life inserts itself into colonial times. Probably someone had a medical emergency of some sort. It's about time to go talk to Thomas Jefferson and see what he has to say. Is that what they call the Carlton stage? Down by hopefully Thomas Jefferson didn't die. That'd be bad. I love this gimbal device. It automatically levels the camera. No matter which way I turn, it's level.
By the way, if you go to the More section of this, where it says More on the below where the video is, you can buy that gimbal if you'd like. I recommend it wholeheartedly if any of you want to do this.